We caught 40. Oh man, it is freezing outside. Just coming back from throwing out the trash and we're snowed in. Work is canceled, so I'm in here making my jigs, wishing I was fishing. Let's go outside and see how it looks. Got my plants inside, nice and warm, and snowing. Golly, look at that. Crazy. Let's see the front. Ooh, God, dog, look at that. Yeah, good thing I covered the boat up. Anyway, it is freaking blizzard out here. Yeah. Woo. So anyway, y'all, guess what? I found some footage that I never put out before. Actually, a couple of videos. So we can reminisce on what it used to be like when it was warmer. So hope y'all enjoy this late video on Grapevine with me and Kid Crappie. All right, let's see y'all later. Hope y'all enjoy it. How y'all doing? Guess what, everybody? Today we are going to Grapevine. Haven't been there in years. I went one time fishing there and I did pretty good on catfish. That was on somebody else's boat, but I've never been there on my boat, so I've never fished for crappie there. So it's gonna be awesome, and we may even run into somebody that we all know on YouTube. Anyway, hopefully I'll get to see kid out there. You never know. You never know. Well, look who's here. Look who I found, everybody. This is a behind the scenes with Kid Crappie doing his videos. Oh yeah, baby. Woohoo! That's not bad. I just beat Kid Crappie. I beat him. Are they? Yeah, there's a bunch, man. They're hungry. My first Grapevine crappie, y'all, ever in my entire life. Cool. He is pretty. Man, I cannot believe how close I am to Grapevine, and I never made the trek over here. We're having a little competition here. Oh, I just missed one. Bam! 2! It's not bad. It's fun. Nice. Have a little fish out. I think I am dialed right in on the brush pot right here. Really still having a hard time seeing the number two. There you go. After a while, it's gonna have to be big fish. Big fish only. Bam! Number 3. Let's see what we got here, y'all. It's a little bit better. They're getting bigger. Cool. Yeah. Nice. Oh yeah. All right. All right. This time I'm gonna rub it on there. You done skunked me. I think I'm still on like 6 or something. Man, kid's over there catching 2 at a time. He done blew me out of the water, dude. But I'm still catching over here. There's so many crappie, it's unbelievable. Unconceivable. Gotcha, finally. Oh man. They're down there just being real finicky.
Yeah, I think they're catching on too.
They are, right? Isn't that crazy how they, it looks like that on the live scope too, like we better not bite this one. Man, this sucker is fat. That's a good 12. Look at that, y'all. That's crazy. That's a big old, that sucker's half his size. I got a crappie on Uncle Bill's Bad Billy. Look at that. Bad Billy. That's how good the fishing is, y'all. Kid Crappie catches sandies and crappie at the same time. And me too. So we got like a triple. Yep, triple. The fishing, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's outstanding. I'm just I'm blown away by how fishable this lake is. All right, y'all, we're gonna make a run and we're gonna follow Kid. Man, we are on them again, y'all. We're still looking for the big ones. We've got doubles galore over here. I'm using your boat as reference. I could see like the corner of your boat right above the, and they're like right above them. That's funny.
Yeah, they're all like really on top of the grill.
Yeah. Gotcha.
That's like a better one, maybe.
Not too bad. Right. That's a keeper. It's about 11, maybe 10 or 11. Ooh, man. Nice fish. Pretty fat sucker. Let's be like Richard Jean and let him go. There he goes, everybody.
How's it going? You ain't trying to catch all my fish, are you?
Yes.
All right.
I'm looking for a flathead.
There you go.
Yeah. Oh, the same with I know guys. Ooh.
Meaner than he looks.
That's the one thing with these you know, with the more limber rods too, right?
Yeah, these are the same way. You'll think I have a monster.
Bye, Kid Crappie.
Alright.
Well, everybody, he's leaving and we're gonna leave too, so thanks for showing me around, bro.
Hey, no problem. Anytime, man.
Yeah.
Glad you had a good time.
Oh yeah, we'll do it again.
Oh, yeah.
So he's heading out, we're heading out, and I hope y'all had a great time, y'all. I had a blast out here, and thank you for all the support, and God bless everybody. I'll see y'all later. Bye.